ahead and stand up and let everyone know who you are. Everyone who actually contributed, stand up. Everyone who's a part of the planning committee, so Chris, stand up. Brian, you were part of it, stand up. Jeff, you helped out, stand up. Only 3 people?
There's more.
There's more. Yeah, they just don't say.
Not here. They're not hardcore like us.
So Jeff was helping us in the beginning with DigiPen, and then some of the DigiPen plans we decided to move to this one instead. We're trying to have a session. All these sessions we really wanted to surround around conversations, and we wanted to make sure they were as flexible as possible, so you guys can talk as well as possible. And then that's it. Some of the rooms are set up like a lecture, and we didn't want to do that feeling this year, so hopefully that works out well. But Jeff was still there. He basically had rooms set up, and we kind of backed out on everything last night.
There's no egos involved in this, at least I hope not. We're here to share. We're here to be part of a community. If you're just interested in going to another one, there's 6 sessions going on at once, and you want to go to all 6, go ahead. Law of 2 feet. Get up and move. Last but not least, we say be prepared to be surprised, because no matter what you're expecting, something else will happen. You'll get more out of this, some of you will get less out of this, some of you will get something completely different from what you expected, and it's all good. So be prepared for that. Now, I talked about if you want to go to all 6 sessions, you see a couple different types of behavior. One is the person who likes to go from session to session, picking up something in each one, maybe sharing something in each one. We call these bumblebees. They flit from flower to flower, cross-pollinating. Feel free to do that. There's also butterflies. Butterflies like to go sit somewhere and be free. Other people may come and join them, they may not. You may have a conversation out in the hall, whatever. Butterflies, just kind of, take it easy and maybe go sit somewhere. So if you're a butterfly, that's fine too. If you could come up with some other animal or creature, that's okay too. You're not constrained. When it comes to the actual sessions, there are a few different ways to do them. I understand you guys did a fishbowl here last night. How many of you were here last night? A bunch of you were. Good. We're going to do a sample fishbowl this morning before you guys start your sessions. It's one way of organizing a session. The simplest way is what I call a free-for-all. You all sit in a circle and you talk. With respect, but you all sit and talk. Another is if you have something you want to teach, to share, an expertise, a technique, a new programming language, a new open source project, whatever it might be, go ahead and propose that. People may want to learn. We've seen everything from Scott Gu first announcing the Microsoft MVC in an open space to F# being presented to it, you name it. So if you have something you want to share, go ahead and offer it. If you have something you want to learn that you are not expert in, go ahead and propose it. Other people may want to learn it too. Hopefully someone who knows it will show up. But if not, you guys will talk together about how hard it is to learn. This is about you figuring out where you want to connect, what you want to learn, what you want to share, what you want to teach. It's all up to you. So, like I said, one of the ones that I see as the most challenge is the people who say, well, I want to learn about something, but nobody proposed it. Don't wait, propose it. I've seen conversations about mobile programming for mobile made by people who had no clue because they were hoping someone would show up. Whatever works for you, whatever you're interested in, feel free to propose. Okay, so how do you propose? How does that work? To begin with, we have in the middle of the room here some stickies, big stickies, and Sharpies. You are going to come up to the middle of the room, grab a sticky and a Sharpie, and you'll write your name. Does everybody hear that? Your name. This is important, trust me. Your name and your topic. Please don't write a dissertation. Write it big enough so people can read it. And then you will stand in the middle of the room and you'll announce it. You'll announce your name. Hi, my name's Doc. And your topic. I want to talk about, or I want to present, or I want whatever it is, okay? Then you'll go up and you'll put it on the wall. A day and a time slot. Saturday's on the left, Sunday's on the right. There's no room numbers on Sunday, Justin? Where are you?
I'm right here. Help people find some seats.
That's Sunday right there.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'll fix that up.
What happens when you bump your dog? So you guys will you just pick a place. It may not stay there, and this is why it's important. Two reasons it's important to put your name on it. One is we refer to you, if you propose a topic, as the convener. You have two responsibilities if you're the convener. One, to be there to convene the session. Doesn't mean you're an expert, doesn't mean anything other than that you propose a topic and you're going to be there. Two, to make sure that some kind of notes or proceedings are captured. Again, it doesn't have to be a dissertation, a page of notes, something that you can share with people who were not there about what went on in that session.
You have to have another one.
And then it turned into complete crying freak out.
Thank you, Glenn.
Why did say it again? They were laughing.
Reactive. Eric Sterling, I want to know more about the reactive framework.
Reactive
I
framework.
want to see if I can get this up as well.
All right, I'm Luke, and I'm proposing a session on .NET open source dependencies between projects, how we can manage.
I'm Bobby Johnson. I have two Ruby-related topics. I got Ruby for News. So we want to just get together and review the language, want to understand even where to get started. We can explore that together, and then we'll just start hacking out some Ruby. The other one is Iron Ruby in the enterprise. I'm really kind of fascinated right now by Iron Ruby and where that possibility could go within my business. So let's get together and try to build something that's actually enterprise and see what that might look like.
Like Young, for example.
So, I didn't really mean that. You know I love you, Ed. So, with the few minutes we have left before the session starts, as you see, the way you end a fishbowl is you start taking the empty chair away. And when you get down to, one, I usually let the last person have a couple of words and then cut them off.